In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a project, organizing your tasks, or simply planning your day, knowing how to efficiently use checklists can really enhance your productivity. We can agree that having a structured way to manage our to-dos can make a world of difference, and ClickUp's checklist feature is a fantastic tool to help with that. Let's get started. First, navigate to the specific folder where you want to create your checklist. The folder acts as the container for all related tasks and checklists, so it's essential to have a clear idea of where everything should live. Once you're in the correct folder, you'll want to select the board option. This option is particularly useful for visualizing your current workflow and seeing all tasks and their progress at a glance. Now, locate and click on the task you want to associate with your new checklist. When you open this task, you'll see a range of options that help you manage and detail your work. Scroll down a bit until you find the checklist option. This is your go-to section for adding the detailed steps you need to track. Next, let's give your checklist a distinct name. Naming your checklist is key as it helps you quickly identify it later, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks or projects. Once your checklist is named, you can begin adding individual checklist items. For this example, I'll add 3 items to keep it simple: Video 1, Video 2, and Video 3. These items are the specific actions you need to monitor, and typing them out can help you see each step clearly. After you're satisfied with your checklist, remember, there's flexibility here. You can create a task and even a subtask directly from your checklist. This allows you to break down your work further, making it more manageable and less overwhelming. To refine any checklist item, just click on the 3 dots next to it. This opens options to add items, rename them, assign them to someone else, or even delete items if needed. As you work through your tasks, you can click on the circle next to each checklist item. This lets you mark them as complete, and it's incredibly satisfying seeing those check marks fill your list. In this case, showing something like 3 out of 3 tasks done. And that's it. You've now created a complete checklist in ClickUp. If this video helped you out, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more tips and tricks to share with you, so stay tuned for our next video. See you guys soon.